Admissions is a human process. While admissions committees look at grades, test scores, and extracurriculars, there are 5 students that have great qualifications in those areas for every spot in a university's class. As an applicant, you need an admissions counselor to choose you over everyone else, to advocate specially for you. This is where essays come in. There are an opportunity for you to turn an admissions counselor into an advocate for your application. Of your essays, the Common App is the most important since it is seen by most of colleges to which you apply. So let's start with the Common App essay that worked for me. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you who has showed tremendous amount of love and support on my channel and who have watched my college decision reaction video. And this video is about in which I'll be reading out my Common App essay. So guys, let's begin. I'll read out my Common App essay. So first I'll read my prompt on which I wrote my essay. So the prompt is: the lessons we take from obstacles we encounter can be fundamental to later success. Recount a time when you faced a challenge, setback, failure. How did it affect you and what did you learn from the experience? So this is a prompt and the essay limit is up to 650 words. So I'll read out my essay. So it goes like this. I still remember the first day at the boarding school. Nervous and scared, I sat in a corner of my classroom. All of 11, I was trying my best to put on a brave front. Everything seemed different: the building, the classmates, the teachers. Being shy and an introvert, I kept to myself and I felt a wave of helplessness sweep over me. Later, I struggled to adhere to the school's strict schedule, whether it was getting up at 5:30 and jogging up for 2.5 miles or playing sports in the evening. When the lights went out at 9:30, my body would be numb with fatigue. Every night as I lay on my bed, I missed my parents and cried miserably, longing for the familiar surrounding and comfort of my home. Despite my misgivings, the discipline at the boarding school changed me. I became confident and independent. But 4 years later, my parents moved from a small town to a bustling city, which was home to many reputed schools. This led them to eventually shift me out of boarding. The move from Mussoorie to Lucknow elated me. I was reunited with my parents, and there was no pressure to follow a grueling regimen. I would wake up at 11, play video games for hours on end, George Ma on my favorite dishes, and binge watch movies. Often, I slept at 2 in the morning and woke up late in the afternoon, missing school as a result. As I turned lethargic and inactive, I struggled to fit into my old clothes. This was the first warning signal. Even then, content with my relaxed, slow-paced life, I was happy to let go of this seemingly small problem. Days passed by, my weight increased from 88 to 132 pounds. One day, I took part in the trials for an inter-house basketball championship. During my boarding school days, I was extremely good at this game, and this seemed like a cakewalk, but I failed. I had become so obese that I couldn't even run properly. Soon, my friends and cousins started teasing me about my body weight. Once, during a regular checkup, the doctor told me that I should lose weight soon, else it would have serious health implications. It hit me hard. It hit me hard, ringing in my ears persistently as I walked back home, wondering how could I get back to shape. I think I should start following my boarding school routine, I told myself. Getting back to the former routine was easier said than done. Having abused the freedom I got at home, I had to channelize all my willpower to wake up at 5:30 and go for a run. I cut down on my diet and avoided junk food. After school, I went for a swim and pushed myself to do 30 laps. It took 6 months of vigorous training to shed those extra ounces. I lost 45 pounds. Friends, relatives, and even my parents were shocked to see my transformation, while a local gym wanted to share my story and photograph in its promotional banner. It's been 4 years since I made the transition from fat to fit. I still follow the same routine. My love for video games still persists, but having learnt the value of discipline and patience, I now utilize my time to design the games. I have made several 2D and 3D games, including one on Flappy Bird and car racing. I also got back to my favorite game, getting selected in the Inter-House Basketball Championship. My transformation served as the turning point in my life. It made me understand that ignoring a problem and refusing to take action is gratifying in the short run, but ultimately it negates one's true potential. Now, instead of succumbing to the temptation of an easy, aimless life, I thrive in the challenges thrown at me. So guys, one piece of advice that I would like to give to the students who are now going to apply to your colleges is that please be very real about yourself, and please be very straightforward and crisp about whatever you are going to write in your essay. This essay signifies you. This essay tells about you. Colleges will get to know about you from this. This is a piece of writing that in which you can showcase about yourself. Like essay is like you write letters, you can express what you cannot express on phone calls, so it's just like that. So you are going to express about yourself, so it has to be crisp and good. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you'll give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any other essay suggestions, like if you want me to read any other essays, please let me know in the comment box below. I'll also make a video on my honors section. I'll also make a video about the whole Common App section, like whole Common App, how to go about the Common App, how you fill out all the sections in the Common App, and also the letters of recommendation. I'll be reading out my other essays. So yeah, just stay tuned with me, and please subscribe to my channel and hit like on this video. And I hope you will help me, I hope you will support me in my college journey. So thank you, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you soon.